This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Subaru Impreza steering wheel. Before starting, always disconnect your car's negative battery terminal. It is crucial to wait at least 10 minutes for the airbag system to de-energize. Wear safety glasses and gloves for protection. Also, make sure your front wheels are pointed straight and the steering wheel is locked in position. Next, you'll need to remove the airbag module. Look for 2 or 3 small access holes on the sides and sometimes the bottom of the steering wheel. Using a small flathead screwdriver or a pick tool, insert it into each hole and gently pry to release the spring clips holding the airbag. Once loose, carefully disconnect the electrical connectors, including the horn ground wire, from the back of the airbag module. With the airbag safely removed, you can now detach the steering wheel itself. Use a 17mm socket to loosen the large center nut. It's a good idea to thread the nut back on a few turns after loosening it, but do not remove it completely yet. This prevents the wheel from flying off unexpectedly. Mark the steering wheel and shaft for correct reinstallation alignment. Then, gently wiggle the wheel to free it from the splines. Once the steering wheel is loose, you can fully remove the center nut and then carefully pull the wheel off the shaft. Store the airbag module face up in a safe place. It's important to inspect the clock spring behind the steering wheel for any damage, as this component is crucial for electrical connections. If the wheel is particularly stubborn, a steering wheel puller can be used to assist with removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.